Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the ingredients that I use to make my green seasoning. It's used in most of my recipes, so here we go. Here's the Scotch Bonnet pepper. You have red, green, yellow. The red is the hottest, green is the mild. Where I use one of those. I use one bunch of the garlic. I use some bandania. They come in bags, also known as culantro, recao, shadon, beni. I use about 3 bunches. I use the pimento peppers. Those come about 3 or 4 in a bag depending on the size. I use about, say, 3 of those. I also use fresh thyme, about 2 bags. Scallions, about a couple bunches. Some ginger, fresh of course. Red peppers, sometimes green peppers, and I use 1 bunch of parsley. So I blend everything in the blender, and once you do that, you will get this. And it'll be a nice thick paste. You can use it for meat, you can use it for fish, you can use it for vegetables. It's great literally with anything. And I use it in most of my recipes. You'll see that. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll leave the list of ingredients in the description box.